Alabama, United States, January 11, 2025. It's a snowy day across much of Alabama, with accumulating snow reported this morning across the northern part of the state. The National Weather Service in Huntsville said on social media that snow will continue to fall this morning, but there is a chance for precipitation to change to a wintry mix by mid-morning.
It's slick and it's snowing a lot.
Weather officials and law enforcement agencies across the affected areas are asking residents to avoid traveling this morning unless necessary. 2 inches of snow were reported before 7 a.m. at the Shelby County Airport, according to the National Weather Service in Birmingham. Ahead of the storm, Governor Kay Ivey issued a state of emergency for the northern part of the state. The order calls for the Alabama National Guard to be ready for action, and it is illegal to hoard commodities or rent any facilities while the state of emergency is in effect. Pay attention to local forecasts and stay aware of the weather, Ivey said in a written statement.
Snowing in Memphis, Tennessee.
I've seen 4 cars on the side or in a ditch.
The winter storm dumped as much as 7 inches of snow in parts of central Oklahoma and northern Texas on Thursday before moving east, the Associated Press reported. More than 4,500 flights were delayed and another 2,000 canceled Thursday, with more delays and cancellations expected today. Some of the heaviest snowfall is expected today in northern Arkansas and much of Tennessee, with snow totals in parts of the state ranging from 6 to 9 inches, according to the National Weather Service.
Natural disaster. Already? Yeah, before even.
A lot of bald tires out here, Highway 69 near.
This time of year, got Sergeant Franco up here. Are we doing working wreck already?
Yeah, I'm working a wreck already.
They said they're looking for about 6 inches.
Slick and treacherous road conditions are expected to persist into Saturday morning as temperatures drop below freezing Friday night, the Weather Service said. That's a problem for chicken owners, though, and shouldn't bother the birds who are fussy in their backyards. Officials across the South have warned of hazardous travel conditions due to snow and ice on roads. Public schools in Atlanta and Memphis were closed Friday because of the severe weather.
Going Madisonville, as you know, which ridge always get.
I'm supposed that area, they probably y'all can sit down again.
We may get them.
Downhill, heavy snow.
Three that they're thinking about.
Ain't this northern Alabama?
Snow and ice are expected to reach the Carolinas and the East Coast Friday night, with heavy snow and ice expected in Charlotte, Asheville and Raleigh. North Carolina Governor Josh Stein declared a state of emergency Thursday, ahead of the storm. "Right now, our biggest concern is highway safety," he said at a briefing Friday. Rainfall and freezing temperatures tomorrow afternoon and evening will wreak havoc on our roadways Saturday morning. Overnight, snow will move into the mid-Atlantic region, including Richmond, Virginia, with a slight chance of snow in Washington, D.C., and Philadelphia.
But southwest, it's not north is like going like that.